Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for home security and convenience. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+, the newest model that's been making waves with its impressive features and user benefits. From its stunning 2K video resolution to its enhanced audio and battery-powered convenience, this wireless video doorbell is a must-have for any homeowner or renter looking to elevate their security and smart home experience. Let's dive right into one of the standout features of the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+, its 2K video capability. With the precision of 2K resolution, you get to see who's at your doorstep in crystal clear clarity, whether it's a friendly face or a delivery person. The head-to-toe 2K view is particularly impressive, capturing every detail from the top of their head to the packages or items they might be carrying at the bottom. This level of detail is not just about security. It's also about peace of mind, knowing you can clearly identify anyone approaching your home. Plus, the enhanced color and rich detail in every frame make it feel like you're right there, even when you're not physically present. This feature alone makes the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ a significant upgrade over traditional doorbells, offering a level of surveillance that's hard to beat. Another feature that really caught my attention is the two-way audio with noise cancellation. Being able to have clear, natural conversations with visitors at your doorstep is a huge plus. Whether you're confirming a delivery, giving instructions to a service provider, or simply saying hello to a friend, the clarity of the audio makes it feel like you're right there, talking face to face. The noise cancellation is particularly useful, ensuring that your conversations aren't interrupted by background noise, which can be a common issue with outdoor devices. This level of interaction enhances your overall security experience, allowing you to communicate effectively without having to physically open the door or be present at home. The power and convenience of the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ are also worth highlighting. Running on just 3 AA Energizer lithium batteries, you can enjoy months of battery power without needing to worry about frequent recharges or replacements. This not only makes the device incredibly convenient, but also reliable, ensuring that your home remains protected without interruptions. The battery flexibility, combined with the quick and easy installation process, makes this doorbell the perfect wireless security solution for any home. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your security system or a renter seeking a non-invasive, easy-to-remove solution, the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ fits the bill perfectly. Lastly, the ease of installation is something that deserves a mention. Setting up your Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ is a breeze, requiring just minutes of your time. This ease of use extends beyond the initial setup, with the device integrating seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. The included sync module core ensures that you can monitor and interact with your doorbell from anywhere, using your smartphone or tablet. This level of accessibility and control is what makes smart home devices so appealing, and the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ delivers on this promise with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features. In conclusion, the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ is an outstanding addition to any home, offering a perfect blend of security, convenience, and smart technology. With its 2K video resolution, enhanced audio, and long-lasting battery power, it's an investment that will provide you with peace of mind and a superior smart home experience. If you're looking to upgrade your home security or simply want to experience the future of doorbells, I highly recommend giving the Blink Battery Doorbell 2K+ a try. Find the link in the description below to get yours today and discover a smarter, more secure way to interact with your home and the people who visit it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your home's security and convenience.